Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Now today I want to go over some lesser known secret Samsung features that you maybe haven't heard of. And let's make a deal right now. If I mention something that you've never heard of, you have to subscribe to my channel. We are well on our way to 10,000. You guys have been killing it, so thank you so much. But if you already know everything that I end up covering in this video, well, I guess you're a Samsung Pro. Why not subscribe anyway? All right, guys, let's get into the video with the very first secret setting, and that is that your phone can read the name of the person who is calling you out loud. Now, this is really convenient if you're not by your phone and you can't see who's calling you. Your phone will announce the caller out loud so you can hear who's calling you. So I'm going to give myself a call to show you what it looks like.
David Higgins.
So there you go. You can see my phone announced the name of the person who is calling me. So definitely really convenient if you can't get to your phone and you can't see who's calling you. To set this up, what you want to do is go into your phone application, tap on these three dots here, and then go to settings. And then right here, you'll see answer and ending calls. If you go into here, tap read caller names out loud and make sure you enable this and then also set it to always, because by default it's set to over Bluetooth and headphones only, but you want it to always announce those names even if you're not wearing headphones. So go ahead and select always. Now the next secret setting piggybacks off of this one because you can also answer or reject phone calls using your voice. And these two work really well together because not only will you be able to hear who's calling your phone, you can actually use your voice to answer or reject the phone call. And again, to show you what this looks like, I'm just going to give myself another call.
David Higgins.
And you can see my phone announce who's calling, but also down here I get these options between answering or rejecting the call. And all I need to do is simply say answer phone. And there you go. You can see that it answered the phone by itself. Now to set it up, what you want to do is find your Bixby app, which comes installed on your phone already. So everybody should have this. So just search for Bixby and then open up the app and then tap on this gear icon right here and then scroll down to talk to Bixby without waking up. Select that and make sure that you turn this on. And once you do, now you can answer your phone calls or reject your phone calls with your voice. And you can see that it also works for alarms or timers. So you can dismiss or snooze an alarm or dismiss a timer or even restart a timer. So definitely a really useful feature if you don't want to touch your phone, but just use your voice. Alright guys, moving on to the next Samsung secret feature. If you've ever been talking to your friend and you want to share something with them, maybe you're reading some kind of passage on the internet, what you probably do is select the text that you want to copy it, and then go into your texting application, text it to them, then go back, find something else, highlight it, copy again, and then send it to them again. Well, you don't have to do that anymore because you have a clipboard history that can save everything that you copy and paste in your clipboard history for easy access. So what you can do instead is find everything that you want to copy. So let's say we have a few different passages in here that we want specifically. We can go through all of these and just keep hitting copy. And what we can even do is copy images. It doesn't have to be just text. So we can go on this image right here and then we can tap copy image. And now we can access all of these from our clipboard history. And to do that, just open up your Edge panel and swipe over to your clipboard history. And you can see everything that I copied is all saved in here. And I can easily access it and send it to my friend without having to go back and forth between different applications. Now to set this up, all you want to do is go to your phone settings, go to display, and then scroll down until you see Edge panels. Tap into there, tap on panels, and then in here you'll see all of the panels that are available on your Edge panel. So make sure you select the clipboard one. And now when you do that, it will actually show up in your actual Edge panel and you'll have your whole entire clipboard history saved in here for easy access. Alright guys, the next Samsung secret that you maybe don't know about is that you can create shortcuts on your home screen to just about anything. So for example, let's say that you have your camera application. Every time you launch it, it goes to your photo. But what you can actually do is go back to your camera application, tap and hold on it, and you see that there are a few different options in here. So if you want to open up your camera and go directly to record video, what you can do is tap and hold on this, and you can see that you can now place it on your home screen. So every time you tap into here, it will go directly into the video settings and you can immediately start taking a video. And you can do this kind of stuff with lots of different applications. So if you have any social media applications like Instagram, you can tap and hold on here and you can see we get all these different options for Instagram. So we can go directly to the camera to take a picture. We can view new posts, go to our chats, maybe Amazon shopping. If you want to go to any of these, all you need to do is just tap and hold and drag it out onto your home screen, and it will take you directly to these shortcuts. And what's really cool is you can even do this on websites. So for example, if you found a really nice steak recipe that you like and you want to reference it later in the future, what you can do is tap on these three dots, go to add to home screen, tap add, and then hit add again. You can see that it will add it to your home screen. So there it is right there. And now in the future, if you ever want to make steak again, you can just tap onto here and it will take you directly to this website. Definitely a really useful feature to create some commonly used shortcuts on your phone. Here's another one I bet you didn't know. Did you know that you can back up your phone to a flash drive or an external hard drive or SSD? So if you don't want to back anything up to the cloud or anywhere to the internet like a Dropbox, because maybe you don't trust what they do with your private data, or you just want to keep everything secure and local in-house, you can absolutely do that. And to do it, all you need to do is go to your phone settings, go down to accounts and backup. And then down here, you'll see external storage transfer. Just tap onto here. And now all you need to do is plug in your flash drive or external drive. Now just select if you want to back up everything, just your calls, contacts, or messages, or create a custom backup and choose everything one by yourself. I'm just going to tap everything and then hit next. And now it's just going to go through your whole entire phone and back everything up directly to your external drive. It is so simple, it is so quick, and everything just gets saved directly to your external drives. And all you need to do in the future, if you ever want to restore this back to your phone after wiping it, or maybe you get a new phone, all you need to do is plug the drive back into your phone, go through the whole entire process again, but just this time select that you want to do a restore. I really love these external SanDisk SSDs. They're nice and quick, very compact, and pretty affordable. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave one in the description below. All right, guys, the next secret Samsung feature is the ability to set a custom background image or even video to any of your contacts. So what you want to do is go to your contacts application, select the contact that you want to edit, and then tap edit down here. Tap view more and scroll down to the bottom until you see call background. In here, just tap background, and then up here, hit this plus icon and then tap select from gallery. Now you can go through your whole entire gallery and select any image that you want to set to the background of this contact. And you can even do a video. So you can see that when this contact calls me now, it will play this little video. So now just tap set as call background, tap save. And now anytime this person gives me a call, and there you go, you can see it plays that video that we selected. So every time this person calls me, now I'll have a visual representation, so I'll know who exactly is calling me. And it's just a nice little customization that you can add to any of your contacts. All right, guys, the next secret feature is the ability to have a different wallpaper every time I unlock my phone. So you can see if I lock and unlock my phone, I have this wallpaper. If I lock it and unlock it again, you can see that my wallpaper changes every single time that I lock and unlock my phone. And this is just such a nice little feature to keep your phone feeling fresh. Every time you unlock it, you have something different to look at, and it just keeps things feeling nice and fresh. Now to do this, all you need to do is go online and find a bunch of wallpapers that you like and download them to your phone. So you can see that I have an album with all the wallpapers that I downloaded. Now keep in mind that when you do this, you can only select up to 15 wallpapers, but you can create different albums with different wallpapers in them. So maybe you can have an album for cars, one for landscapes, and one for animals or whatever you want. And then you can just cycle through them that way. But to set this up, what you want to do is just tap and hold and then select all of the wallpapers. Again, you can only have up to 15 at a time. Then hit more down here and say set as wallpaper. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Just hit done. You don't need any separate application. You don't need to do anything else. Now, every time you lock and unlock your phone, it's just going to cycle through all of those wallpapers. So definitely a nice little feature, again, just to keep your phone feeling nice and fresh. And if you like having something different to look at every time you unlock your phone, I definitely suggest you give this a try. All right, guys, now the final Samsung secret feature that you maybe don't know about is the ability to block a caller after you hang up on them. So if you ever answer the phone to an unknown caller because maybe you're expecting a call, or you just don't want to miss any important calls just in case, and that person ends up being just a spam machine or a scammer or whatever, when you hang up the phone, you'll actually have a menu for a few seconds after the call ends, and there will be a button there that says block caller. It will only show up when you hang up on an unknown caller or a number that's not added to your contacts. It's obviously not going to save you from all the scammers in the world, but it's something. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you learned anything new, or if you have some cool Samsung tips and tricks of your own that other people might not know about. Share them in the comment below. But for now, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for future videos to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.